Hello guys. Okay, let's try to get the daily cipher for today. It's a whole lot, but what we have to start from is basically trying all the letters of the alphabet with Morse code. One. Then secondly, when we get the first one, we'll go on ChatGPT or go on Google and ask Google to give you all the related words that start with whichever alphabet. So all the related words to crypto that starts with whichever alphabet. So from that, it's going to be easier for us. So let's start with letter A. Letter A is dot dash. It isn't letter A. So we'll go for the next one. For letter B is dash dot dot dot. It doesn't start with letter B. So let's go again. Letter C, dash dot dash dot. Okay, so now we have letter C as the first alphabet of the word we are looking for today. So let's just try and look for the word crypto. So crypto starts with CR. Let's check if R works. Dot dash dot. It is incorrect, so we have to start all over again. I thought of a word. Let's try and see if coin will work. Dash dot dash dot. Dash dot dash. I didn't get that. Dash dot dash dot. Why isn't it coming up? Okay, let's see if coin is gonna work. So O is dash dash dash. Damn, I think we're correct. So it's going to be COIN. I is dot dot. Exactly. So it's many letter N. Letter N says dot. Letter N says, oh, I missed it. Let's go over again. So letter C is dash dot dash dash dot dash dot for C. Then for O we have dash dash dash. For I we have dot dot. Then for N we have dash dot. So we just cracked today's Cipher daily code. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.